last time I did it, there was no one in sight. This time there's people out sitting out front and everything, so let's see if they respect our right to record. There we go. I see the chat now. Thank you all for watching. Again, sorry about the shakiness and quality of the video, y'all. Hold on, let me wipe the lens. There's a guy literally sitting right there. I don't know if y'all can see. And this is Bowling Green Fire Department, West Station 4. Well, what's up, Freedom to Film? Thank you for coming back. I told y'all I'd go live again. This is the fire department, and right there is a fire training center. So let's see. This is on 835. Wait a minute, what is the name of this road? Morgantown Road. See. See if I can get a good picture of the two fire trucks there. Oh, he's getting up and going narking. We got a narker. We got a cam back, y'all. He's recording us back. Y'all see him holding that phone up, recording us? Oh no, I'm intimidated. He's recording me. Yep, cam back. Oh, they're turning the lights out, y'all. Really? Fire station's gonna turn the lights out. Guess they don't want me to get no pictures of the trucks that our tax dollars paid for. If you hold it sideways, you'll get a better picture. What's that? No, I'm just taking pictures. My tax dollars paid for that stuff. Uh-oh, we got police. What's going on? Here we go, y'all. Sir.
How's it going?
Good.
What are you up to?
Just taking pictures.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Because I can.
It's very odd.
It's odd. Really? I'm just taking pictures of fire trucks and stuff.
Okay. I don't think they want you on the property.
I'm not on their property.
Anything over here, unless you're on the street, is their property.
Well, this is considered an easement right here, all the way to these pole lines right here. It's an easement of the city. Their property starts right there, where that line
Their
is.
driveway on it. You Jeremiah Payne?
Why does it matter who I am?
It's just suspicious activity.
Why would you think I'm Jeremiah Payne?
What's your birthday, Jeremiah?
I'm not giving you anything. I don't have to. I've done nothing wrong.
You just got a call of a suspicious person. You out here taking videos of a fire department.
Can I get your name and badge number?
Officer Messina, 165. Baker 36 Chantry. Copy of...
Suspicious activity is not a crime.
I didn't say that, I just said it's suspicious. I didn't say it was a crime.
Why is it suspicious? I mean, people take pictures all the time.
No, not all the time where they're standing outside a fire department videoing.
I literally just got here. I've been here about 2 minutes.
Oh, that's fine.
Well, the live stream says 10 minutes.
Doesn't matter how long you've been here, it's still not common.
Well, yeah, actually it is if you go and watch.
No, I'm a police officer and I never get calls like this, so I think I would know.
Really?
Yes, really. I'm a police
You
officer.
seem to think you know who I am instantly by walking up.
And I do. I know your name.
How?
I was told your name.
You were what?
I was told your name.
By who?
It doesn't matter how I found it out.
It does.
I know your name.
It does matter.
How does it matter?
Why does it matter that I'm standing here taking pictures?
I just said it's odd.
It's odd that you came out here and asked me if I'm Jeremiah Payne.
Right. Well, I'm going to go ask them if they want you banned, so you have to leave.
Good, I'm not on their property, so I can't be banned. I'm on a public easement. You need to look it up. Right here to these telephone poles, anything is public. It's not their property. Y'all believe this shit? See, everybody knows who I am in the state of Kentucky. I guess because I'm the only damn one that does it here. He's soliciting a trespass, yep. He just told him my name. Yeah, share this now. Share it everywhere. There's another guy coming out. They call the police because I'm taking pictures. And the officer just walked up here to solicit a trespass. Yes, the officer had a body cam on, and it was flashing. What do I get out of it? I am proving to everyone that cops are corrupt. Like him. He's automatically up there soliciting a trespass. And now we have another one. I will. I'm gonna get the body cam footage. See, I don't know if y'all can see, but the light's flashing on his vest. They both got body cams on.
Jeremiah. Birthday 5/3/78.
I'm not answering questions.
I'm just telling you, I know your birthday.
You may think you do. You may think you do. Can I get your name and badge number?
Baker, 36 County.
Sorry.
I could name it.
Can I get your name and badge number? I'm sorry. Dean. All right. Badge number. 450. 150.
And his OL number, please.
Oh, well, the number is P19242683. P19242683.
I mean, I think it's odd that
All right,
people
so your
call the
social's
police
411.
just because I'm taking pictures.
Yeah, that is odd that you're doing that. But your social's 4.
I'm not answering
I
questions.
think that's correct.
You just want to say it on this live stream to be
No,
a
I'm just
dick.
confirming it with you.
No, you're being a dick, dude,
No,
is what you're doing.
I'm not. Just confirming it with you.
Fuck off,
Social,
dude.
you're banned from this property. You got to get off the property.
I'm not on the property.
You don't leave within a reasonable time, you're going to get arrested.
Really? I'm not on their property. I said I'm not answering
Social.
questions.
Jeremiah Payne,
I'm not answering questions.
birthday 5/3/78.
Not answering questions.
I just got to do a little report on it saying I banned
Yeah,
you.
I'll do a FOIA on your body cams and all the information on you and how much you make and everything, and I will post it
You got to
on the
leave
internet.
now or you're going to arrest him?
That ban lasted 2 years, by the way.
By the way, he solicited that trespass, and that's against the law.
You got property, you're going to do it, I'm telling you.
I'm not on the property.
This
I'm
is
on
their-
the side of the street, sir.
This is their property still. Okay,
Now I'm not.
you can do that. But if you come on the property for the next 2 years, you're going to get arrested for trespassing, okay? Do you understand?
I'm not answering questions.
Okay. I just told you speak English, so I'm assuming you understand.
Okay. See you later, dickhead. Fucking corrupt ass cops, man. Y'all are corrupt. The whole state of Kentucky's corrupt. Right now, y'all are trying to figure out a way to arrest me.
No, you could have done that earlier when you wouldn't leave the property, but gave you more time.
Like I said, I will do a FOIA on the city property, what is public property and what's not, and I'll prove you wrong.
Okay.
That anything to that telephone pole right there is called a public easement.
Okay.
No sidewalk right here. Where do you want people to walk? You want them to walk in the road? When somebody has to walk by through here, do you want them to walk in the road or on the pavement?
There's a sidewalk over there, so I'd assume they'd walk over there if they...
Well, you know, you're supposed to walk facing traffic, not
There's
with
no
your back
law
to it.
saying which way you have to walk. Or it's in the ordinances.
Well, if you're smart, you will walk facing traffic, so
Well,
you
I'm
can
assuming
see a
it's
car
walk-
gonna
walk
hit
on
you.
the sidewalk across the street. And not on grass where you can't see where you're going.
It's well lit right up through
There's
here.
street lights on that side.
There is over here too. It
Where?
lights it all up.
Where?
You don't see the light? Are you blind?
You just said there's street lights over here.
You can see light from the street lights over here.
All right.
When y'all leave, I'll leave. Y'all kick rocks first.
We're not very busy right now. We'll just wait till you head out.
What's that?
We'll just wait till you head out.
Y'all see this? Make sure y'all don't delete them body cams. I'll be FOIAing it tomorrow. And believe me, I can get the footage.
Well, anybody can get it. It's not very difficult.
Yeah, I know.